A professor, probably an English professor, went to Hogenekkal. There he saw the beautiful water flowing, gushing. He wanted to take a ride in that coracle, the parisal. So he called that fisherman and took a ride. During that journey, our professor wants to display his knowledge. So he asked that illiterate fisherman, "Have you read John Keats' poems?" This poor fisherman says, "I don't know John Keats, sir." He says, "You have wasted a quarter of your life." After some more time, then he asked the fisherman again, "Have you read Shakespeare's drama, Othello?" The fisherman says, "I don't know anybody called Shakespeare." And then after some time, there is a leak in the boat. Now it's the fisherman's turn. He asked this English professor, "Have you learnt swimming?" He says, "No." Then he says, you have wasted whole of your life." The point I'm trying to make here, we need to come down to earth. We need practical English. That's what the market wants, the industry wants.